Welcome back to Mason Capital. Today we're going to be showing you how you can purchase Ethereum on Coinbase. So let's go ahead and click on the Coinbase app. So now we're in the Coinbase app and we can go ahead and purchase Ethereum. So let's click on Ethereum. Now we'll click trade and we'll go ahead and click buy. Now you can purchase Ethereum through your bank account, through your credit card, or Apple Pay, whichever you prefer. So today we're just going to do bank account, and if you want to do that, just go ahead and click add a payment method, and you can go ahead and connect your bank account and do that. So let's go ahead and purchase $100 worth. So as you can see, we're going to receive 0.0833, and as you can see, the price is $1,200, and we're being charged a $3 fee if we don't have Coinbase One. But I do have Coinbase One, and I am only on a trial, so that is why I have it currently. But if you're just purchasing Ethereum, you can pay the fee, or if you'd like, you can use advanced trading, which we will go over in this video as well. So just make sure that if you are purchasing Ethereum, that you understand that there is a fee that you have to pay. So let's go ahead and go back. So let's click on trade. And when you click on the trade button, this is with the newest version of Coinbase. So you'll see the app. So you can see trade. Trade is what we were on before. So if we click trade again and we go to advanced trade, now we can click on Ethereum USD. Now this is more advanced, so you can see charts, you can see, different intervals of time, and you can see different candlestick charts. So it's very interesting. I guess it's very helpful if you want to take a look at that. But the best part is you save on fees. All right, so let's click on buy. So if we click market and we type in 100, right? So as you can see, the amount of Ethereum we'd receive is 0.0834, which is almost similar to what we'd receive if we purchased it through regular Coinbase. Now, when you saw, I had Coinbase Pro, so I didn't pay that fee. So this is actually saving you money, and you're also getting more Ethereum, and you don't have to have that membership. So it's very helpful, especially if you want to get the most out of your money. So you can go ahead and do that, or you can do a limit trade. And with the limit trade, you can actually set the price that you want to buy it at. So for example, if you think that Ethereum is going to go down to, let's say, 1180, right? You can go ahead and change that price and set the total amount of money that you want to purchase. So for example, we're going to do $100. So let's go ahead and put 1180. So as you can see, we'd be receiving more Ethereum because the price dropped. So you could do this with almost any asset. But for example, if you wanted to do it, you just click preview buy order and then confirm it. And overall, you're good to go. That's about all you have to do in order to buy Ethereum on Coinbase. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.